Okay, so here's just a very quick video to kind of show us exactly how to put our application online. So the first thing we can do is we can go into Google and we can search Tiernan's College, and that should bring us up to Tiernan's College website here. Okay. From here, it'll bring us into the website. Again, if we go to Post Leaving Cert Courses here and how I can apply and click onto the link how I can apply, there's a detailed run through of different scenarios of ways. So you can call into the school for an application form, fill out the application process online through the fetchcourse.e. So this is the one that we're going to do here at the moment. I just want to go through how to do it. Okay, there is a step-by-step instruction on the website, but I'm just going to do a video as well just to kind of back that up. So again, we're going to go back here and we're going to open up a new link, and we're going to go fetch courses, courses.ie. Okay, and that should load up for us. Okay, so here brings us to the home pages. So it's Further Education and Training Course Hub. Okay, so the keyword that we're looking for here we don't need to put in at the moment, but the location we're looking to go and click on Mayo. Okay, and then sub-location should bring up Crossmolina. See, there's one course here working on Crossmolina, and then press the search key. Okay. It's looking at the moment, it's just loading up. Okay, and here we go. So we can see here the reference number, the course title is Office Administration, provided St. Tiernan's College, location Crossmolina, and the start date. Okay, Business Administration and Law. Okay, so we're going to click into that one. And here's a run through of exactly what we do and how we do it and what qualifications you get and what that can lead on to job-wise and all that. Okay, so the Apply Now key is just there and you can click onto that. And what it's going to ask you is going to sign into Fetch Courses database really. So you have a username and your Fetch password. Okay, so if you're not registered yet, you click down below this button here, and what it's going to do is going to ask you for your email address. So if you have a registered email address, put it in here, your first name, your last name, and then you create a password. Now the password has to have 6 characters, both upper and lowercase, so capitals and lowercase, and then confirm your password. Click on I'm not a robot, and that will give you an account. So once you go back and do that, you can go back in and log in with your username and your password, and that will make you online. You register for the course or apply for the course, and what happens is we get an email here straight away saying that you're interested in the course, and because the course is first come first served basis, you will be registered on the date that you apply through Fetch, and Fetch gives all your details. So it's a very, very easy way to apply for courses, any course that you want to. Okay, so that's just a quick video on how to apply through the Fetch. If you're having any difficulty, don't be afraid to come in here to the school in St. Tiernan's College and ask me, Michael Moyles, or anybody, and we'll give you a helping hand with it. Okay, thanks very much.